Sakerplus Dash Cam review. Is this good or bad? So first of all, this does look like a budget-friendly dashcam, but you should be able to treat it as a mixed or risky buy rather than a clearly proven top choice. The brand itself does sell many gadget-style products, and while Saker Plus has a large Trustpilot page with many positive reviews, the dashcam itself does not have the same level of trusted professional testing as brands like Garmin, Viofo, Nextbase, or those similar brands. Not similar brands, but products. So for the Sakerplus dashcam, the dashcam is advertised with common features like loop recording, night vision even for some reason, and G-sensor accident detection. There's also parking monitoring, multi-camera with a 360 style coverage on some listings, but these are going to be useful features, but the real question is whether the footage is sharp enough to read plates, especially at night, and whether the app, storage, or even heat resistance and long-term reliability are actually good. Some online reviews describe it as decent for the price, so you can take a look at that if it is suitable for you. But while others mention weak documentation, it may be okay for basic recording, but again, it's not really the safest choice if you need proven evidence quality footage. So it is affordable, usually cheaper than premium dash cams, so that's probably the best part of it, but it is not strongly proven. So fewer reliable expert tests compared with major dash cam brands and possible quality inconsistency. So as a final verdict, Saker Plus Dashcam is not automatically bad, but again, you can call it as a budget and with a side of risky of an option. It may be fine if you only need simple recording, but for serious accident evidence, clear night vision, and better long-term reliability, you should probably choose a more proven dashcam brand like Viofo. But again, for budget cam, it's not bad at all. You can always go ahead and take a look at their website and directly to the Saker Plus cameras or the dash cams to really take a look at it for yourself, since they have a website for them too. But hopefully this video can help, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.